Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your ZTE Nubia Air. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the media volume in the settings. So let's go over and unlock the device. Now let's go over into the settings. So here we need to go over to sound and vibration, and right here we will have an option to adjust our media volume. So this is my adjustment. You guys can copy it or you guys can just max this setting out. It's totally up to you, but I always keep it like that. Now make sure that your do not disturb mode is disabled. So it's also here. You need to scroll a bit down to see it. Here we have the do not disturb. Now you definitely wanna disable it, because there was an issue once with the Android devices that the low volume was caused by just having no sound of notifications and calls, and that's why we need to disable it and test if it changes anything. If not, then you guys can just simply turn it back on. So after that, if you guys use the wired headphones, so the USB-C headphones, because this phone does not have a 3.5mm jack, what you guys can do is clean the charging port, because it may block the connection if it's dusty. So you can use the air compressor or a soft brush to do that. I recommend the soft brush. I feel like it's much better to use. And after that, what you guys want to do is clean the speaker grills if it's from your device, not the headphones. So we have the speaker grill right here for an example. You can easily clean it out with a soft brush too. So just to get inside and clean every dirt or debris that may be inside of it. So after that, what you guys want to do is to restart the phone. So hold the power button right here and press restart and tap again to restart the device. Now I'll see you guys once the device is restarted. So after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is go over into the settings and check for your system update. So scroll down and it should be right at the bottom, is right here, system and update. Now click system update right up top and make sure that you have an internet connection to check for updates automatically. As you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it to avoid any glitches like that. So that's it for the video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed it, then leave a like, subscription, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.